Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today we're unboxing and testing the Zoyi ZT-QS7 AC/DC clamp meter. This compact, affordable tool has been getting a lot of attention, and we're going to put it through its paces. Stick around as we test its accuracy across multiple functions and see if it's worth adding to your toolkit. The box is sleek and professional. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Inside, we've got the carrying pouch, handy for portability. The Zoyi ZT-QS7 clamp meter itself, and it looks quite solid. There's a set of test leads, red and black, standard quality. A thermocouple probe for temperature readings. User manual, a simple manual, but important to get familiar with all the features. The build feels sturdy. It's lightweight, perfect for on-the-go work. The LCD is large with a backlit display, a lifesaver in dim areas. Extremely simple panel, and the clamp jaw opens smoothly. On the backside, you'll find the space for the two AA batteries. Let's break down its specs. True RMS for accurate measurements on nonlinear loads. Measures up to 600 ampere AC/DC current, 600 volt AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and even temperature. Cat 3600 volts safety rating, crucial for working on household electronics safely. Auto ranging to simplify measurements, plus a hold button to freeze readings. The jaw opens to 30 millimeters, fitting most standard wires. It also has NCV detection. Just hover to sense live wires without contact. Let's start with AC current. I've got this heater plugged in, and I'm clamping the meter around the live wire. The reading shows 0.45 amps, which matches my multimeter's result. Solid accuracy. Next, DC current. I'm checking the current of this DC lamp, which is connected to this DC power supply. The meter reads 1.3 ampere DC, which is within the normal range. No need to break the circuit, so convenient. Now, let's test AC voltage. I'm probing this breaker, and the meter reads 219 volts AC. Spot on with my expectations. The backlit display makes it easy to read in any lighting. For DC voltage, I'm testing this 9V battery. The meter S shows 9.1 volts DC, which is exactly what it should be. Accurate and responsive. Let's check resistance. I'm measuring these two resistors 10 kilo ohms and 55 kilo ohms, and the meter reads exactly same, matching the resistor's labeled value. Perfect. Let's try the continuity test. I'm probing clamp meter wires together and the meter beeps instantly, confirming a good connection. Quick and reliable. Now, the diode test. I'm checking this diode and the meter shows a forward voltage drop of 0.5 volts, which is typical for a simple diode. Works as expected. Next, capacitance. I'm measuring this 25 microfarad capacitor, and the meter reads 25.1 microfarad, which matches the capacitor's rating. Great for troubleshooting circuits. To measure temperature, choose the desired temperature range, insert the sensor probes into the clamp meter, and place the sensor on the object whose temperature you want to check. Finally, the NCV test. I'm hovering the meter near this live outlet and it beeps up, indicating voltage presence. This is a great safety feature for quick checks. Let's discuss some pros and cons. Pros. Affordable for its features. Lightweight and rugged. Accurate readings across functions. NCV adds great value. Cons. Jaw size may struggle with thick cables. Backlight timeout could be longer. No rechargeable batteries option. So, is the ZT-QS7 worth it? If you're an electrician, DIYer, or hobbyist needing a reliable clamp meter without breaking the bank, absolutely. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for more details. Drop a comment if you've tried this tool or want more reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gadget deep dives. Thanks for watching. Stay charged.